Ever wondered how one tractor changed the face of American farming? Meet the Farmall Model H, the mid-century machine that powered a revolution in agriculture. The Farmall Model H, a revolutionary tractor in American agriculture. The Farmall Model H, produced by International Harvester from 1939 to 1953, was one of the most iconic and influential tractors of its time. Designed as a general-purpose row crop tractor, the Model H was built to meet the needs of small and medium-sized farms across the United States. Known for its versatility, reliability, and ease of maintenance, the Farmall H played a key role in the mechanization of American agriculture. It was widely used for plowing, planting, cultivating, and powering farm equipment, making it a staple in farming communities for over a decade. This video will explore the history, engine specifications, transmission system, power output, and typical uses of the Farmall Model H, demonstrating its lasting impact on agricultural machinery. History of the Farmall Model H. The Farmall brand, a division of International Harvester, was a pioneer in the development of the row crop tractor. The concept of a versatile, all-purpose tractor originated in the 1920s with the Farmall Regular, which revolutionized farming by replacing horses with mechanized power. Over the years, International Harvester refined its designs, leading to the introduction of the Farmall Letter Series in 1939. The Farmall H was introduced in 1939 as part of this letter series, alongside other models such as the Farmall A, B, and M. Designed to be a mid-sized tractor, the H was positioned between the smaller Farmall A and B and the larger Farmall M. Its purpose was to provide a balance of power, affordability, and versatility, making it an attractive option for a wide range of farmers. The Model H quickly became one of International Harvester's best-selling tractors, with over 390,000 units produced during its production run. Its simple yet durable design, combined with the availability of attachments and implements, made it an indispensable tool for farmers. Production of the Farmall H continued until 1953, when it was replaced by the Farmall Super H, which featured several improvements, including higher horsepower and an upgraded transmission. Despite its replacement, the original Farmall H remained in use on farms for decades, with many still in operation today as collector's items and working tractors. Engine specifications. The Farmall H was powered by a 4-cylinder inline engine that provided dependable performance for a variety of farm tasks. The standard engine was a C152 gasoline engine, named for its 152 cubic inch displacement. This overhead valve engine featured a 3.375-inch bore and a 4.25-inch stroke, allowing it to generate efficient torque and power for farm operations. The compression ratio was relatively low, making it compatible with lower octane fuels, including gasoline, kerosene, and distillate. Many farmers preferred kerosene or distillate because they were more affordable than gasoline at the time. One of the unique features of the Farmall H engine was its dual fuel capability. Some models came with a manifold heat control, allowing the tractor to start on gasoline and switch to a lower grade fuel once it warmed up. This feature was particularly useful in rural areas where fuel choices were limited. The engine cooling system used a thermo-siphon or water pump system, depending on the model and year. A belt-driven fan helped regulate engine temperature, preventing overheating during long hours of operation. The lubrication system was a full-pressure system, ensuring adequate oil circulation to all engine components for improved durability. Transmission and drive system. The Farmall H was equipped with a 5-speed sliding gear transmission, which provided a range of speeds to accommodate different tasks. The transmission included 5 gears. First gear achieved 2.5 miles per hour, which was ideal for heavy plowing and tillage. Second gear operated around 3.5 miles per hour, which was used for cultivating and lighter tillage. Third gear achieved 4.5 miles per hour, which was for general field work and planting. Fourth gear ran around 6.5 miles per hour, which was for transporting loads and pulling equipment. Fifth gear came in around 16 miles per hour, which was a high-speed road gear for transporting between fields. This 5-speed transmission gave the tractor flexibility, allowing it to perform both slow and heavy-duty tasks as well as higher-speed transport work. The Farmall H used a mechanical dry clutch, which provided smooth shifting and reliable power transfer to the wheels. The rear axle was solid and durable, capable of withstanding heavy loads in rough terrain. For steering, the tractor used a manual worm gear system, which provided precise control. While power steering was not available, the large steering wheel and well-balanced design made it easier for operators to maneuver the tractor in fields and around obstacles. The Farmall H's braking system consisted of independent mechanical drum brakes located on the rear wheels. These brakes allowed for differential braking, which helped with sharp turns, especially when cultivating row crops. The rear wheels were large and spoked, providing excellent traction in loose soil, while the front wheels were typically narrow and closely spaced, a characteristic of row crop tractors. This tricycle-style front end made it easier to navigate between rows of crops, minimizing crop damage during cultivation. Power output and performance. The Farmall H was rated at 26 horsepower at the drawbar and 33 horsepower at the belt pulley, making it one of the most powerful mid-sized tractors of its era. The drawbar allows the tractor to pull plows, cultivators, and harrows effectively. The belt pulley enables the tractor to power stationary farm equipment, such as threshers, feed grinders, and sawmills. The power takeoff system on the Farmall H was a key feature that increased its versatility. The rear PTO shaft allowed farmers to connect the tractor to various implements, including mowers, balers, and combines. Some later models were also equipped with a live hydraulic system, which further improved performance with modern implements. Despite being a mid-sized tractor, the Farmall H had ample power to handle a variety of farming tasks. It was often used with two-bottom moldboard plows, making it an excellent choice for general-purpose fieldwork. Typical uses of the Farmall H. The Farmall H was designed to be a versatile workhorse, capable of handling numerous farm tasks. Some of its most common uses included plowing and tillage. The H was frequently used for plowing, disking, harrowing, and cultivating. It could pull a two-bottom plow in most soil conditions, making it an effective choice for preparing fields for planting. Planting and cultivation. Farmers used the H for row crop cultivation, as its narrow front wheels allowed it to navigate between rows without damaging crops. It was also used with corn planters, seed drills, and cultivators, improving planting efficiency. Hay and forage work. The tractor's PTO and belt pulley made it ideal for operating hay balers, mowers, and rakes. Many farmers relied on the Farmall H for harvesting and storing hay for livestock. Belt-driven applications. The H was often connected to stationary equipment, such as grist mills, threshing machines, and sawmills, using the belt pulley system. This allowed farmers to process grain, grind feed, and cut wood without needing additional power sources. Transport and hauling. With its fifth gear speed of 16 miles per hour, the Farmall H was often used for hauling wagons, transporting crops, and moving equipment between fields. Impact and legacy of the Farmall H. The Farmall H was one of the most successful tractors ever produced by International Harvester, thanks to its affordability, durability, and adaptability. Its legacy lives on in antique tractor clubs and farming communities, where restored models are still showcased in tractor shows and parades. The Model H paved the way for future tractor designs, influencing later models such as the Super H and Farmall 300. Today, it remains an icon of American farming history, representing a time when mechanized agriculture transformed rural life. Conclusion. The Farmall Model H was a revolutionary tractor that helped define modern row crop farming. Its powerful engine, durable transmission, versatile PTO system, and practical design made it a valuable tool for farmers. Whether used for plowing, cultivating, harvesting, or powering equipment, the Farmall H proved to be a reliable and essential machine in agriculture. Its influence remains strong as it continues to be celebrated by collectors, historians, and farmers alike. Thank you for watching this video. Please help support us by clicking like and subscribe. Please visit the links in the description. This also helps support this channel and allow us to come out with more videos.